All right, guys, so I tried to do a live. Unfortunately, the internet, Wi-Fi, whatever, wasn't playing along. As soon as I walked inside, it actually disconnected. But I'm here at Sonderwerks. I want to give you a little quick tour. This is kind of like my live version. I'm not doing any editing here. So I'm going to walk you inside and kind of show you how they distinguish themselves from the rest of the industry. And it's going to be really clear how they do so. Now I'm going to turn the camera around real quick and walk you guys in. And as you can see, as soon as we come into the main lobby here, they got a nice display, nice little Porsche right over here. And the way they've distinguished themselves in the industry is Porsches. I mean, it's pretty clear to see. This is a very highly desired shop to come to if you're in the Porsche game. You have a Porsche car, and what do? They do pretty much everything from paint and body. They have a full trim shop here. That's why I'm here. And then they build the motors right around the corner. So this is an all-inclusive shop. They'll do pretty much anything needed with the Porsche. And I kind of wanted to show you around because not everybody gets to see inside of a high-end shop like this and the way that it's laid out. So as you kind of look around, they have some nice lifts over here that are staggered back in the corner because they're definitely full during the afternoon. They'll pull all these cars out, or most of the cars out, into the waiting lot, and then it gives them plenty of room with the staggered layout of the lifts over here to work on the cars and do what's needed as far as maintenance. Now I'm going to go over here to the upholstery side because I got one thing I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. It really sticks out. I was over here with Ernest. I'm going to introduce you to Ernest over here. Say hi, Ernest.
How you doing?
And he was telling me about this material right here. Now this material, although you thought you might have seen it, because I was like, oh, I've seen that before. If you actually take a really close look, this is hand-laced Alcantara suede right here. It's $1,000 a foot.
No, it's leather.
Leather. It's not Alcantara, it's leather. Okay, so I got that wrong, but it is $1,000 a square foot. That is some wild stuff. Check this out. Man, that's nice looking. Now, once again, I got Ernest over here, and so I've been calling him the Jesse James of the upholstery world. He's kind of got that look, and he's got these stories. I tell you what, I'm going to try to catch them in the edited version. I'm going to try to get these. This year, it's going to be a lot different instead of it being me, and a lot of that was because I was learning how to do the video editing process. This year, I'm really going to focus on the people that work in the shop, what got them to this point, and kind of what they expect and hope to achieve in the future. But you're going to be seeing a lot of this guy, and just wanted to introduce you. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and run through the shop real quick. Once again, all the cool Porsches in here, and I'm going to kind of give you a brief look at I guess this would be the motor department over here. You can see a couple seats, and when I say a couple, they're all over here, very nicely stacked. But we'll get into that in the main video. I'm kind of going to do a real quick walkthrough here because there's nobody in here quite yet. But you can see the motors, and they got a nice little, oh, there is somebody in the room over there. They got a nice clean room here to work on these motors, and everything is in its particular spot. I'm sure everything is done to spec. You can see the tools that they have. They're very organized here for a larger shop. So we're going to go ahead and step outside. It's tight in here today. So we're going to go ahead and step outside, and I'm going to walk you through the paint and body shop. And once again, I want to say I'm sorry that I wasn't able to go live, but the Wi-Fi just wasn't having it. So this is my live rendition. Just trying to be particular.
How you doing?
Hey, good morning, sir. We got some more Porsches walking around here. Everybody's got some cars going around. I do believe the paint shop's open. Like I said, it's back here on the back lot, but it's all part of the same thing. We're just going to take a real quick peek in here. I haven't been in here yet, so I really don't know what to see, but just want to give you guys an inside look. Nice little paint shop. It's nice and cool in here. Yeah, they got some paint work going on. I see the body guy's already over there. Like I said, I want to walk through. He gave me a little, hey, how you doing over there?
Good, how are you?
Hey, pretty good. Yeah, just a nice little clean space. The floor's nice and swept. Everything's clean. that's something, if you're out there and you actually have a different shop, and obviously you might not be as large as this, the thing that you can do to up your game is clean your shop. It's that simple. It doesn't cost anything. Clean your shop, organize your shop. It'll make you look a lot better. But yeah, this is definitely a nice high-end shop. You guys have seen it. I've walked around, and look forward to the edited video. It will be coming soon.